How to add custom sound to Discord soundboard. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add custom sound to Discord soundboard. So for that, just click on the server that you want to add the sound to at the top left corner of your screen. And from here, just go to server setting. And now on the servers list, under the overview section, you will see the option called soundboard. Just click on it. And after that, just click on upload sound. And here all you have to do is just choose a file from your device and just click on browse and choose the file, and you can also give it a name and related emoji if you want to add. And from this bar you can select the sound volume, and once you have done uploading a sound here, just click on upload. So this is how you will be able to add a custom sound to your Discord soundboard. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.